it's Sandra here from Stone Eagle Massage Stones and Training. I wanted to show you my new massage tools. Clay calls them his wonder tools, and I have to agree with him. I'm going to show you in this video how to use these stones correctly and how they're going to save your hands and thumbs. But first of all, I wanted to take you through the different stones we have. So this one here is Azure Gold Marble. It's from the Chillagoe region in Queensland. So as you can see, it's got like a nice little scoop out through it. And there's a reason for that, because at the end it's square and at this one it's more rounded. So you can hold it in your hand like this and you can work into the muscle. Now, that's to replace your thumb. So imagine using this instead of using your thumb to get into all those tight little spots. So that's the Azure Gold. This one here is Lepidolite. Now, I don't know if you can see the beautiful purple color through there, but this stone is absolutely magic to work with. It's almost got a glitter look through it. It's beautiful. So again, same dimensions. We're square here and we're rounded here. So again, that's going to fit nicely into your hands and you can work into those muscles. You can actually use this end too, of course. Same principle, working in through to the muscle. You can turn it the other way as well, and that even gives a completely different feeling when you're working with people, and it fits snugly into the hand, which is your fingers should just curl over and hold it gently. We also have the beautiful black jade. This is Australian black jade, same dimensions. As you can see, it's just perfect size for fitting in the hand. Perfect size. Tiger's eye. So beautiful tiger's eye. We are limited to stock with the tiger's eye, so we don't have many of these available at the moment, but we do have them available in the Pilbara Green and also the Dragon's Blood Jasper. So just bear with me and I'm going to show you how to use them. Hi everyone, I'm now going to demonstrate how to use our new massage tools. So again, there's two sides to the tool, and it's really important that you have it sitting just in this part of your hand, because that's where the pressure is going to come from into the stone, into the body. So you just softly grip the top of it. You don't over grip, because that'll just cause strain through here. So what you do first is, if you're working around the shoulder area and the neck, you would just come in through this area first, just to cool that stone down a bit so that it's not really too hot for them in here. So I'll just come in and flip and flip. Then, holding the stone like I showed you, you're going to come in to this area and move down the upper back. All that pressure is coming from here, and you can move down and then relax back up. And I'm going very deep, but without any effort whatsoever, which is what we want, so we can save our hands. Now, you can use this side too, which is the rounder side of the tool, and that can do exactly the same. It almost goes a little bit deeper. If you want, you can work with two at the same time. So down, relax back up. For deeper move, hold the top and push down and relax back up. Down and relax back up. You can also come from the side and push out towards the scapula, making sure you don't go over the spine. Push out towards the scapula, so you're affecting the rhomboid muscle here. Pushing out and relax back. push out and relax back. You can come up the top where the levator scap is, pushing out. Make sure you don't hit the bone, and relax back. Push out and relax back. This is very, very effective. Then if you want to come into the neck, you can do that a few ways. You can actually hold with your fingers, coming up into the base of the occiput. You should actually feel the bone, but you're just off the edge of the bone. So in through here is a lot of pressure points. So if you push on them up into the skull, you will release all the neck muscle. So this is very, very effective. So you put your body into it and you go up into the base of the skull. It's like you're stretching it. Push up, relax back down, push up, and relax back down. Then it's quite easy to come into the upper back. And you can go all the way down the back as well. I'm going to show you some moves with the lower back now. Okay, now we're going to affect through the lower back area. So the quadratus lumborum, the QLs for short, we can work through there on both sides. So because I'm standing on this side, I'm going to work on this side. So what you would do is hold your stone like you normally do. And what you're going to do is come in to where the QLs are and sit at the side. So you never go over the spine, but you're just sitting there to release it. You should feel it almost lock in and hold and then release. So push in, hold and release. And you can do that on the other side as well. The other things you can do with this stone is activate through the pressure points. So we can go just off the sacrum and go into those lovely points in through there. And hold to release.